Want to lose that belly fat fast? Maybe you're hoping for a miracle or at least something that works by tomorrow? Well, while 3 days might not give you six-pack, but we can definitely help you jumpstart your journey. So grab a seat because we're going to help you shed that belly fat with a plan that actually works now. Before you throw away your pizza and break up with donuts, let's keep it real. You won't wake up with six packs, but you can definitely reduce bloating and jumpstart fat loss. Step 1. Reduce your carb intake. When you lower carbs, your body starts using stored fat for energy. Instead of hoarding it like a squirrel with nuts, aim for around 50 to 70 grams of carbs per day. During these 3 days, no bread, no pasta, but don't worry, it's not forever. Just for 72 hours. Bonus, your belly will feel flatter because cutting carbs reduces water retention. So, less carbs, less bloat, and maybe those jeans will finally button without a fight. Step 2. Drink water like it's your job. You need to flush out toxins and reduce bloating. So aim for at least 2 to 3 liters a day. Yes, I know what you're thinking, but I'll be running to the bathroom every 5 minutes. Don't worry, that's just your body waving goodbye to all that excess water weight. Pro tip, add lemon to your water. It's refreshing and gives you that fancy spa day vibe. Step 3. Protein. Protein and more protein. Keep your meals packed with lean protein like chicken, fish, eggs, and tofu. Protein keeps you full and helps your body repair and maintain muscle while burning fat. And no, that giant tub of protein powder in your pantry doesn't count. We're talking real food here. Just remember, we're not building muscles like the Hulk in 3 days. We're just encouraging your body to burn fat and not raid your muscles for energy. Step 4. Exercise. Don't panic, I'm not talking about running a marathon, but a little movement can go a long way. Try to get in at least 30 to 40 minutes of light cardio, like walking, jogging, or even dancing around your living room. Yes, dancing counts. Shake those hips. Wave goodbye to that belly. Remember, the more you move, the faster you'll see those results. Step 5. Sleep. Yes, really, your body burns fat even when you're dreaming, but only if you're getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep. And if you're feeling guilty about taking a nap, don't just tell everyone you're burning fat in your sleep. So can you lose all your belly fat in 3 days? No, but you can reduce bloating, kickstart fat loss, and feel lighter. Stick to the plan, cut those carbs, drink water like it's going out of style, pack in the protein, get moving, and for heaven's sake, get some sleep. Your belly might not thank you immediately, but give it time. You got this. And hey, if this video helped you, hit that like button and maybe subscribe. Trust me, it burns 0 calories, but it'll make me feel great. Until next time, keep moving and stay hydrated.